Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style chicken korma. This dish is so amazing because of its smooth and creamy gravy and perfectly cooked tender chicken. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So to start with the recipe, in a blender jar take 6 to 8 cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of melon seeds or Charmagaz and 2 teaspoons of water. Blend into a smooth paste. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. Now in the same blender jar add 1 onion, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger and 3 dried red chillies. You can also use green chillies if you want. Blend into a smooth paste and keep aside. Now in a kadai heat 4 tablespoons of oil. To that add 2 thin sliced onions. Saute the onions till they turn golden brown. Then add the prepared spice paste. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes or until the raw smell is gone. After that add 1 finely chopped tomato. Mix it well. Then add salt as per taste. Mix and cook till tomatoes are soft. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything well and cook the spices for 5 to 6 minutes. Our oil has separated from the spices. Now add the prepared cashew paste. Mix well and cook just for 2 minutes. Now let's add the chicken. I had pre-marinated the chicken with 1/4 cup of curd and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have taken 1 kg of chicken here. Mix well with the spices. Then cook on high flame till water is released. Let all the water release and evaporate. Now add half cup of water and 2 sliced green chillies. Give it a mix. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes. Our chicken is perfectly cooked now. I have also added some boiled potatoes because I like potatoes in my curry. Then finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. And our delicious chicken korma is ready now. Serve it hot. So this chicken korma recipe is so delicious that you will end up craving for more. The gravy is super smooth and creamy and the chicken pieces are so tender and juicy. So our restaurant style chicken curry is ready. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.